Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an Asus ROG Flow X16. This is the GV601 series. I'm going to show you how to open it up, get inside, access your battery. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access our bottom case screws. Now you have quite a lot of screws here. There are 13 screws you need to remove. After removing those screws, you're going to use a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool to go all along the seam and gently pry up the bottom case from the rest of the computer. I say plastic pry tool because that may scratch your computer a lot less than metal will. We usually use like a very firm guitar pick if you have that. So you're going to start on one end, usually up here in one of the corners, go around. If you get stuck, leave it, go to the other side, continue in the other direction. Also, make sure not to put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, pry that bottom case up. When you get that bottom case up, this is what you'll be looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, there'll be a link below. It'll have all the tools and supplies that I use in my shop. Also in that list, there'll be another link. It'll have all the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model computer if you're looking for any help with those. Now your battery is right down here near the bottom of my screen. The part number for this battery was a C41N2109. This is a 90 watt hour battery, 15.52 volts. I'll list all that information below in the description if you're trying to find your own replacement. But I will also have a battery replacement in that link I told you about below with all the replacement parts. In order to get this battery out, you have 4 screws, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. And then to unplug it from the motherboard, the cable comes up right here, plugs into the motherboard right here. Now this white plug, this is a snap. It snaps onto that port. So to get that up, it's not a plug where you pull out. You'll just pull straight up and off of the motherboard, and this will come off of that plug. And I guess the last thing to mention about a battery replacement, if you're here because your computer's not turning on, your battery could be bad and may need to be replaced, but the issue could be something else that's stopping your computer from turning on. Most laptop computers, even with a dead battery, should still turn on and work correctly with the charger plugged in. So if you're not able to get your computer to turn on, there may be something else that's a problem with it. I will have a video link below in the description. It'll be a tutorial showing you how to troubleshoot a laptop that's not turning on to find the cause of why that's happening. I'll also have it as the end video once this video stops playing. But this is the video here. This is how you open up this computer, access your internal battery. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.